Today's vlog, Ramyan will cook pancake. Yummy?
What?
The little baker. Ayan. Smash the egg. Yay! Enough na. Ayan. Water. Hold the water. Later muna, later. Ayan. No, no, no! Wait na kakainin. Wait lang. Good. Good. Sabi. Good. Okay. Wait lang, wait lang, wait lang. Wait. Oh, wait, check natin. Wait lang. Wait lang muna, wala. Hindi pa na to. No. No. Wait. Hey, tap, 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 lap, 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 tap, 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 tap. Oh, yeah, tap, tap. No! Dance. Dance muna bagong cook. Dance muna si Tutoy. Say hi. Hi! Akin na yan. Yay! Yay! May pancake na si Ramyan! Hey! Kain na, baby! Yummy! Good! Up! Slowly! Just one at a time. Very good ang baby ko. He cooked for his pancake. Yummy? No yummy? Hot? Hot. lang. One lang ng one. Ubusin mo na yung nasa bibig, ha? Huwag na susuba! No! Stop yan! Later. Ubus mo na yan, ubus. No. Ubus mo na yan. Ay, too much. Too much. Too much na yan, ah! Upo na ayos. No. Ubus mo na yan. Ubus mo na yan nasa bibig. No, wag iiyak. Dali, kain mo na ito siya. Ubus mo na yung nasa bibig. Come. Back first. Ubus mo na yan. Ubus mo na yung nasa bibig. Yan. Wait lang. Ubus mo na baby yan. Ubus mo. Ubus mo na yan. Sabi, Later na ito, later. Ubus mo na yan. Ay, super dami pang nasa bibig mo. Subo mo na yung sinubo. Sabi, Nasa to? No. Ayan. Wait, later. Mami mo lang. Yup. Yeah.